This is exactly what is actually killing your YouTube channel, and that is not helping you get the views and the subscribers and the watch hours that you need. But as a small YouTuber, I know getting subscribers, getting a lot of views and watch hours is your target. And that's exactly the reason I'm making this particular video. Now, those of you who have been following me for a longer period of time, you could know and see that I've made a video about this particular feature in your YouTube studio, of which I'm going to send you to the studio right now. I've made a video about that. And now this particular video is actually going to clear a certain doubt that people are actually having. You see, recently when I made that particular video, there's a lot of people who jumped into that. I mean, a lot of YouTube content creators who jumped into that, making a video about this particular feature. And then some of them were like, oh, it worked. Some were like, it's not working, and that blah blah, whole lot of things. But hey, some of us over here, we are honest in whatever we give out. I am honest. I'm being honest with you guys always, all the times. I do not jump into what is trending. I do not jump into what is actually going on across. No. Whatever that I publish over here, I make sure I make a lot of thorough research and I tried them as well. So most of these that I teach over here are tried and tested hacks to help you grow your YouTube channel. And so I am going to take time this time round to let you understand very well the reason I said that you must turn this off so that it can help you increase your YouTube views, your YouTube watch hours, and your YouTube subscribers. So I wouldn't want to waste more time. Let us get straight into the studio and I'll let you understand it very well. And if you've not done that, please do well to do it right after watching this particular video. It's going to help you. And let me say this, whenever you're watching a tutorial video like this or an education video like this, I will advise and encourage you to watch from start to the end. Watch thoroughly with all keen interest so that you understand it very well, so that whatever decision that you take afterwards will be a decision that is best for your channel. There are some of you that they watch the video, that as soon as they see the feature, they just stop watching the video, they move on to the studio, and then they apply some of these things. It would not work that way, because maybe you would have missed something that you have done properly. You understand? So let's go straight away into the YouTube studio and let me show you the reason I said that you must turn it off. Unless you are uploading a new video, that is when you can have access to it. The already uploaded videos, you can't have access to it to either tick turn it off or on. Let's check some of the already uploaded videos. For example, like this video, it is already uploaded, this one. So let's get to the analytics. Let's go to the analytics, okay, and see if we can either turn it off on or on. A lot of people have also been asking questions like that. Okay, so now we are at the already uploaded video. Let's scroll down to see that particular feature that says we must turn it either on or off. Let's scroll down and then select show more over here. That feature will pop up very soon. I'm showing all these so you understand it very well before we move on to the other aspect. Okay, so this is the feature I am talking about over here. Great. So publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. You see, because it's an already published video, you see this one is highlighted. The option is highlighted. You cannot either take it off or on. As you can see clearly over here, it's faded in an ash color like that. But this one, allow embedding. This one, you see, you can either tick or uncheck. You understand? So that is that one. So I only came here just to show you that already uploaded videos, you cannot either check or uncheck. All right, the embedding, I will make a video about that one, but that's not part of this particular video. So now let's try uploading a new video. That is where we are going to get the feature. Let's try uploading a new video over here. You come to create, as you can see here, and then upload a video. Select files. So I'm going to select a file with, let's say, a few seconds so that we can actually move on smoothly with the process. Okay, so let me select a file with maybe a few seconds over here. Let me see if I can get one of them over here. A file with just few seconds. I'm not even having. Let me see if I can get one here. Okay, so assuming you're uploading this one, it's just 15 seconds. Okay, so let me select done. It's just 15 seconds so that it can upload quickly for us. Okay, please, I want you to keenly and carefully watch the particular video. In fact, this particular video is more like a reaction to the first one I made, and I'm just trying to answer some of these questions here. You see, let's scroll down here. I'm not going to upload this one. I'll just delete it for the sake of this tutorial. That's what I'm using this particular one. Okay. So when you come here, because it's a new video that you are uploading, you see the feature is showing, as you can see clearly over here. Yes, so you can either uncheck or check like this. So now, whenever you're making a video, make sure that you get to this side, and then you either check like this or uncheck. You can either turn it off. This one, when it's like this, it's turned off, but when it's like this, you've turned it on. Now I'm going to take time to explain this one to you, and the reason you must turn it either off or on. Now, publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. All right, what this one means is that, you see, when you check it like this and you publish this video, automatically your subscribers will get the notifications on their phones. And one thing that helps YouTube recommend people's videos is that when your subscribers begin to engage with your videos, when your subscribers begin to follow the notification on their phones to watch your videos, it helps a lot, and it throws a negative signal to the YouTube algorithm to actually recommend your videos to a larger audience. Now, when you publish a video and then within a short period of time, your video is also having a lot of engagement, that is comment, replies, likes, and in that order, it also throws a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm that, hey, this video is very good, and so they should recommend to other people. So you get a lot of recommendations and a lot of views on that particular video, and if you are lucky, your video will be going viral. But hey, the caution here is that, you see, there are some of you who have gotten their subscribers the wrong way. What I mean by the wrong way is that these subscribers that they have on their channel, it's either they did sub for sub, that is the soup for soup 10, or they force some people to subscribe to their channel, or they maneuver their way, they find their own ways to get a subscriber, of which the subscribers were not gotten naturally. What I mean by natural subscribers is that the organic one. You publish a video, people watch the video, they like the video. In order for them to get more video, they subscribe to your channel. That is the organic one. Those people, whenever you publish a video and they get notification, they will definitely watch your video because they subscribe to that, and they understand and they know what they have subscribed for. You understand? But hey, those of you who got the subscribers the wrong way, recently I've been encountering a lot of people in that way. It's smart, I'm having a lot of subscribers, but they don't watch my videos, blah 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 and all that. If you are part of those people, that is when this feed is for you. That is when you need to turn off this one. Just turn it off like this, so that YouTube will not even send a notification to their phone, because when it sends a notification to their phones and they don't watch that particular video, that is where it is going to cost you. Because you're having thousands of subscribers, YouTube sends notification to all these 1,000 people. None of them clicks on the notification to watch your video, and it's going to cause you. It is going to send a negative signal to the YouTube algorithm that, hey, the people who have been subscribed, it's like your mother or your father. Okay, you are a child, and even you, the child that you came back from that mother or that parent, you don't fancy the things of your parents, you don't fancy the things of your mother. Will it encourage other people to even come and like that parent, to come and like that mother or that father? No. So it's just a psychological thing. You understand? So YouTube is a system put in place to help people, but if you don't know the ways out and the ways in, it's going to cost you. And so I saw a lot of YouTubers jumping into it. No, I turned it off, it didn't help me, I didn't get views. Previously I was getting views, but when I turned it off, I was not getting views, blah blah. That means they did not listen to the video, they did not watch it very well. And that is why I've been always saying that whenever you're watching a tutorial video like this, please take time, watch it from start to the, don't watch halfway. No, that one will never help you in this year. Watch it from start till the end. I'm being frank with you, and I'm being honest with you this time. Please, as you've been seeing in all my videos, I'm always honest with you. I teach you what I have practiced and what I've made research into that, and I know what it's going to do for your channel. So please, if your subscribers do watch your videos, if you publish it over here on my channel over here, I don't turn this one off. No, I don't turn it off. And I'm sure by now you know the reason I don't turn it off. Whenever I publish a video, you, my subscriber, you watch the video because you know the value you're going to get from my videos. So when I publish a video, I don't turn it off. I always leave it like this. You understand? So this one is not for channels where the subscribers watch their videos. No, it is not for you. So don't jump into it and straight away just go turn it off. No, it will cause you harm. But if your subscriber don't, assuming over here, I'm having 2 point something subscribers now, almost getting to 3,000. When I publish a video, I get a lot of people to watch. You see, some of my videos are even 30,000 plus, some are even 20,000 views plus, and all in that order, showing that people watch my video. So there's no need for me to turn this particular thing off. No. But there are some of you, when you check on your channel, maybe you're having 1,000. Maybe some of you have been having 4,000 subscribers. But when you publish a video, you're not even getting up to 100 views. You're not even getting up to 200 views. Some of you are not even getting up to 50 views, but you have, let's say, 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. So what is happening to your channel? That means these people are not interested in your content, in your views. Sorry, in your content or in your videos. And so you must turn it off so that YouTube will not send a notification to them, so that the video will be there, and then it will allow YouTube to get time to analyze your video and recommend it to the right audience when you're able to even optimize the video very well. So that is it. In simplest terms, I wouldn't want to go a little further. And I'm sure you guys do understand it very, very now. You understand it very well right now. Please, whenever there is a video, let me show you one thing under one of my videos. You see, it's getting a lot of, views and a lot of comment, a lot of engagement, and that also helped in the recommendation from YouTube. Good. So yeah, very good. So this video is having 37 views, 37,000 views, as you can see, 37,000 views. Let's click on that and check something right now. Great. So now we are going to check at the comment section. Check clearly and keenly. You see the reason this particular video is going viral. Then you copy that. You actually incorporate that in your videos. Now you see there are a number of comments over here. First of all, I mostly initiate a comment, an engagement, and I pin it, as you can see over there. Please, if you've not shared this video, kindly blah 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 and all that. So with this one, is you're only getting 42 likes. Now let's scroll down. You see a lot of comment here, a lot of comments. So this one shows to you that my subscribers over here, they engage really and carefully and actively and massively on my video. You see a lot of comments. I think around 1,000 comments over here or something, and the replies to you uncountable. You can imagine. So that is what I am talking about. Whenever you publish and your subscribers actually engage in your videos, it's going to help you a lot. That is it, and that is the reason I want you to always be able to listen and listen well, watch and watch well whenever you're watching a tutorial video like this or an education video like this. So that's exactly where I bring today's tutorial to an end. It's very, very important. Please do well to check that particular box. If your subscribers are actually engaging on your content, check it out always. Let it be there. Don't turn it off. But if they are not watching, your videos, that is where the problem lies. Turn it off so that YouTube will get time to analyze your videos for you and recommend it to the larger audience without basing on the actions of your subscribers to either recommend or stop recommending your videos. It's going to help you a lot. So that is it, and that's where I'll bring this particular video to an end. Thank you very much. I'm sure you've actually gotten value from this. Let us make this video also go viral. Do well to share the particular video so that it helps other people who are even confused more, because there are a lot of content creators, there are a lot of people who are the so-called people who are also teaching other small YouTubers. They are confusing a lot of people. Some of them don't have content. They just jump into. I decided to actually screenshot some of those people's videos, and so those people shot on this screen, but there's no need doing that particular one. So please, let's do well to share this honest video so that it goes viral to help those people who are even confused now. Okay, so that they know they're able to do the right thing. And if you have not subscribed, please, I do give out honest reviews over here on my channel. All right, I give out honest reviews, all right, so that you can also grow your YouTube channel, and that has actually helped me to get this number of subscribers within a short period of time. Oh yes, so it's actually also going to help you a lot. Do well to subscribe to this my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever there is a video like this, you can be part of the first people to have access to. But don't forget to like this video. If you have any comment, put it in the comment section. Where are you watching from, and what has this particular video done for you? Let me know at the comment section, and I will guide you all the time. So thank you very much, and do have a wonderful time.